So let's talk a little about these things, about what's being done to protect you, and about what you can do to protect yourself in time of emergency. Of course, our first and strongest line of defense
This is a nationwide emergency broadcast, triggered by the request of the President of the United States. Please pay attention to the television for the next few minutes. This is a nationwide emergency broadcast, triggered by the request of the President of the United States. Please pay attention to the television for the next few minutes. Dear citizens, the events of the last few days have affected all of us in a way we have never been affected. Under the star-spangled banner we have fought for our freedom and greatness. We have put our countrymen not only to the harshest of places on Antarctica, but also sent them to the moon. The mission of the United States has always been the spread of democracy and the maintenance of peace. This mission was, unfortunately, not fulfilled. As of today, at 9:38 a.m., the government had gone into exile at an undisclosed location. Unfortunately, that means the United States no longer exists as a cohesive, sovereign entity. It is unknown what will happen to this glorious land in the next few days and weeks, but what is very clear is that the citizens must persevere. Our infrastructure is no longer functional and water supply is running out. Any future government set on the land of the United States will be unable to assist their citizens in restoring their former self. But even in these hard times of destruction and loss, the people must keep this land's legacy alive. Even though the country is gone, the citizens will stay the same. It is your task to try to rebuild this glorious land, not the conqueror's one. We have stood through many dark times. Let's stand through these ones as well. Thank you.